Generally speaking, there are two types of database server transactions. We have the system transactions and also user-defined transactions. The user-defined transactions are usually defined by developers. And the examples of the system transactions are whenever we run the SQL insert, update, or delete commands, then the database server will start a transaction. Because we do not need to start or initiate the transaction explicitly. Therefore, this type of transactions are called implicit transactions. One example about this is if we want to update 10,000 records in a database table, we issue an update command. But if one of those 10,000 records failed to update, then none of the records could be updated. So all updates will fail because the entire work is treated as a transaction. The second type of transactions are user-defined, and developers define this type of transactions. A good example is if we want to transfer money between two accounts, and we do that very often. For example, we will transfer money from our savings account to our checking account. Then there are two steps involved. Step one is to withdraw the money from the savings account. Step two is to deposit the money into our checking account. And these two steps must either succeed or fail together. So it's a transaction. The definition of a transaction is a logical unit of work that must be either completed together or would fail together. Because developers need to explicitly define this type of transactions, therefore they are called explicit transactions.